is the official information currently available about the Norton, LifeLock, and Avast merger. Nothing will change for now. The transaction is expected to close in the second quarter of 2022, and until then, Norton, LifeLock, and Avast will continue to operate as separate companies. You will still be able to use Avast products as before. We will begin integrating our companies and providing a consolidated suite of offerings to all our customers once the transaction has closed. We don't have any further details at this time. We will continue to offer our free product for the foreseeable future. We don't know and can't comment on anything that might be on the horizon once the merger is finalized. With this merger agreement, we will be combining two leading companies in the cyber safety industry, which will allow us to provide you with the best identity and privacy products and services to better protect your digital life.